Did you know that nearly 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? That's right. Almost 8 out of 10 people are struggling to make ends meet, despite working hard every day. And globally, the statistics aren't much better. In fact, over 3 billion people around the world don't even have access to the most basic financial services. With the financial system evolving at a pace never seen before, it's no wonder people feel lost when it comes to managing money. But here's the truth, it doesn't have to be this way. Today, on Money Mindset, we're going to shatter the illusions and myths surrounding money, and I'll walk you through the steps you can take to take control of your finances like never before. This isn't just about saving a little extra here and there, it's about changing the way you think about money, how you handle it, and how you can make it work for you, not the other way around. Now, before we dive into the steps to financial freedom, let's talk about the problem. Financial illiteracy is rampant in today's society. If you're feeling overwhelmed by money, you're not alone. School doesn't teach us how to manage our finances, and the mainstream media often confuses us with flashy ads promoting credit cards, loans, and debt. We're told to work hard and invest in our 401ks, but are we ever really shown how to manage the money we make or grow our wealth over time? Here's the reality. If you don't understand money, you'll never be in control of it. You'll spend your life chasing paychecks and paying off debts without ever getting ahead. The key to mastering your finances lies in one thing: mindset. Without the right money mindset, you'll be stuck in a cycle of financial struggle, constantly making decisions based on fear or ignorance. It's time to break free from this cycle. Step 1. Money mindset. So, what is money mindset? In simple terms, it's the way you think about money and your relationship with it. It's the lens through which you view financial opportunities and challenges. Your money mindset impacts every decision you make, whether it's deciding to spend or save, investing in stocks, or even asking for a raise. Let's talk about the two main types of money mindsets: the scarcity mindset and the abundance mindset. The scarcity mindset is where most people operate from. It's the belief that money is limited and there's never enough to go around. People with this mindset are constantly worried about running out of money, so they either hoard it or spend it out of fear of losing it. This mindset leads to poor financial decisions, like unnecessary spending, high-interest debt, and missed investment opportunities. The abundance mindset, on the other hand, is the belief that there is plenty of money in the world, and you can attract it by creating value. People with an abundance mindset believe that wealth is not a finite resource, and by making smart choices, investing in personal growth, and leveraging their skills, they can increase their income and create lasting wealth. The difference between these two mindsets is vast. Someone with a scarcity mindset will avoid investing, afraid of losing money, while someone with an abundance mindset sees every setback as an opportunity to learn and grow. The way you think about money shapes your reality, and this is why developing a strong money mindset is essential for financial success. Step 2. Shifting to an abundance mindset. How do you go from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset? Let's break it down. Educate yourself. The first step is to start learning. Knowledge is power. Read books, take courses, and follow financial experts who have walked the path you're on. If you want to improve your financial situation, you need to understand the basics. Things like budgeting, investing, saving, and debt management. Don't rely on hearsay. Build your knowledge foundation. Understand the power of compound interest. One of the greatest tools for wealth building is compound interest. This is how wealth is made, by making your money work for you. When you save and invest, your returns start to earn interest as well. This snowball effect accelerates your wealth-building journey. Once you understand compound interest, you'll start to see money in an entirely different way. Learn to budget. A budget isn't just a tool for cutting back on expenses. It's your roadmap to financial freedom. A budget helps you prioritize your goals and ensures that you're spending on what really matters. It's about aligning your spending habits with your long-term financial vision. Surround yourself with like-minded people. If you want to develop a money mindset, you need to surround yourself with people who support your goals. Whether it's friends, family, or mentors, the people around you will influence your financial decisions. Find people who are already where you want to be and learn from them. Adopt a growth mindset. A growth mindset means believing that your abilities can improve over time through dedication and hard work. This applies to your financial situation too. If you believe that you can increase your income, build wealth, and achieve financial independence, you'll start taking the actions that will make that happen. Step 3. Building wealth. Now that you understand the importance of shifting your mindset, let's talk about practical steps to build wealth. Increase your income. Building wealth isn't just about cutting costs. It's also about increasing your income. Whether through side hustles, freelancing, or asking for a raise at work, there are countless opportunities to boost your earnings. The more money you bring in, the more you can invest and grow your wealth. Automate your savings. You've heard it before, but automating your savings is one of the best habits you can develop. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts each month. By doing this, you'll ensure that you're always building your wealth, even when you don't feel like it. Invest in stocks, real estate, or other assets. You can't build wealth if your money is just sitting in a savings account. It's important to invest your money in assets that grow over time. Whether it's the stock market, real estate, or starting a business, make sure your money is working for you. Eliminate bad debt. High-interest debt is one of the biggest roadblocks to financial success. Prioritize paying off your credit cards, personal loans, and any other high-interest debt you may have. Once that debt is gone, you'll have more money to invest in your future. Build multiple streams of income. Don't rely on a single source of income. The wealthiest people in the world didn't get there by working one job. Look for opportunities to diversify your income, whether it's through passive income streams, investments, or side gigs. Step 4. Overcoming challenges, the roadblocks to financial success. Building wealth isn't easy, and you will face challenges along the way. But the key is to stay persistent. Here are some common roadblocks and how to overcome them. Fear of failure. Many people avoid taking risks with their money because they fear failure. But here's the thing. Failure isn't the end of the road. It's a lesson. Every mistake you make is an opportunity to learn and grow. So, embrace failure, and don't let it stop you from trying again. Procrastination. Waiting for the perfect time to invest or start saving is a trap. The best time to start is now. The longer you wait, the more money you'll lose to missed opportunities. Start small and build momentum. Instant gratification. It's easy to get distracted by the latest trends or flashy purchases. But if you want to build wealth, you need to delay gratification. The true reward comes in the long run when you're financially free, not from buying the latest gadget or going on an expensive vacation. Lack of accountability. Having someone to hold you accountable can make all the difference in your financial journey. Whether it's a financial advisor, a mentor, or a friend, having someone to check in with can help you stay focused on your goals. At the end of the day, it's all about your mindset. If you believe that financial freedom is possible for you, it will become a reality. If you believe that you can't achieve wealth, then you won't. You have the power to change your financial future today. Start by shifting your mindset, educating yourself, and taking actionable steps to build wealth. Remember, it's not about how much money you make. It's about how you think about money and how you use it to create a better future for yourself. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial destiny and develop the right money mindset, hit that subscribe button and let's start this journey together. Welcome to Money Mindset, where your wealth building journey begins.